this is Kelsey from Frankly Natural Beauty, and I'm here with my mom, Kathy, and we're going to be making a candy corn soap.
We actually already made it, and we're gonna tell you that was a really hard soap to make, and this colored a little bit like the white is a more like a creamy color, and the yellow became brown because we used fragrance oil that has vanilla in it. And that's what it does, but I think it still looks really nice and smells really good. And we used the silicone mold that was kind of hard to work with, but we made it, we did it. So let's go and see what we did. And if
you're new to our channel, welcome. If you've been watching our videos, thanks for watching and stay tuned.
We're gonna have more videos like this or better than this, because we're coming up with new soaps every day. And maybe we're gonna do some different videos too, not just soaps but bath bombs, more lip balms, more lipsticks. Okay, so you want to see what we're up to every day? Just subscribe to our channel, click on the bell, and you will be notified every time that we get a new video. Thank you so much, and let's go and make the soap.
Let's get soaping.
Hello everyone, this is Kathy, and Kelsey here is my little camera lady there. And today we're making a new soap for the fall. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna use this mold over here that I made some inserts. I want to show it to you guys really fast, but the inserts don't want to stay there. We're gonna fix them a little bit. But these are the insert. I want to try to make a big candy corn slice with the 3 candy corn colors. And we're going to use some mica powders to do that. So we're going to use this mica powder here. Is the Sunset Orange mica powder with a little bit of red mica powder from Brambleberry right here. And then I'm going to use the yellow. It's the yellow lemon drop from Nurture Soap, and it's really beautiful too. I love that one. Gonna mix those 3 colors and the white for the tip. There you go. And this is titanium dioxide, and I'm gonna put a little bit of oatmeal powder in there and a little bit of coconut milk, because it makes the soap really nice and luxurious, and it's very good for your skin. So that's why we're gonna do that. And over here I have my usual mix of oils, and we have almond oil, sweet almond oil, castor oil, coconut oil, palm oil, olive oil, and that's it. That's my recipe here. And a little bit of sodium lactate. And today I'm using a fragrance oil from Nature's Garden that's called a pumpkin roll. I think it's pretty cool. It smells really nice. It smells sweet, just like candy. Okay, so let's go and make this beautiful soap. Okay, before I put my lye in, I'm going to use the oatmeal. Okay, so I'm going to use the oatmeal in here. I'm going to blend it a little bit. So we're going to do that. Look at that. Alright, and we're going to emulsify this. So I'm going to blend it a little bit, and we'll be back in a sec. Okay, now I'm going to put my fragrance oil in here really fast. And I'm not going to, I don't think I want to use the blender, the stick blender, because it accelerates. I don't want it to be too thick. So there we go. Gonna move my stuff here. Sorry about that. Okay. So I'm gonna mix the fragrance oil really well, and then I'm gonna pour it in my little containers, and I'm gonna make my 3 colors. All right. Okay, so I'm just mixing my colorants in here. What I did over here, I just mixed all my colors, my 3 colors, and then, you know, now it's time to put in the mold, and that's when it's gonna be really interesting, because I never done this before. So first time for you, first time for me, friends. So let's find out how we're gonna do this. Alright, first of all, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna bring the mold over here, space this a little bit better, because I kind of not want to stay there. So I don't know if this is gonna work. It's an experiment. If it doesn't work, oh well, we just had fun, right? Okay, so what I want to do, I want to do one by one. I want to see how it's gonna work, because I need to take those little things out. Well, I'm gonna do the yellow first, because that's at the bottom, right? Okay, so I'm gonna do the yellow at the bottom. So I don't know if you can see everything here, Kelsey. Can you? Okay, I'm gonna do this one over here first. Oh, it's going in there. Ooh. It's kind of going in there, but I think it's okay. It's alright. I can just scoop it out maybe. Oh, shoot. Uh-oh. It's not working. Oh well. It's not gonna work. It's not working. I think that the soap is too liquid. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna wait a little bit, see if it thickens up a little bit, and try again. All right. I put it all the colors in here, all the soap in here, and I didn't want to film it because it was really hard to do, and it was very tedious and messy, and you can see by my hands are really messy. But I'm gonna take the little dividers now. It kind of worked, but I had to wait for the soap to be very thick, because it was getting really weird. It was too liquid, and even now I think they're gonna kind of the dividers are kind of getting too. See, they're getting separated, so I have to do this really fast. Alright, this is the way I cleaned it up and fixed it a little bit. So I don't know if the final product is going to be good, but you know, we had a lot of fun making it, and we kind of learned and see what we can do for next year. Maybe do something a little bit different, but I liked it. I had a lot of fun. It's going to have a lot of bubbles probably inside because it was really thick. I tried to bang it on the table here, you know, to make sure that the bubbles went out. But I'm not sure if all the bubbles went out. It's going to be kind of like a Swiss cheese, maybe. I don't know. Instead of candy corn. But we'll see at the end when we mold it and see what it looks like. Alright, and we'll show you in maybe in 3 or 4 days, because this is silicone mold and it takes a while to really get nice and dry inside the walls over here. Alright, thank you for watching us. So we'll see you in a little bit, in about 3 or 4 days. Bye. Okay, it's been about 4 days and I'm molding my candy corn soap from the mold for the silicone mold over here. It was very challenging. I made those little spacers with cardboard and I wrapped them in tape. But the soap was the batter, you know, for the soap batter was very, very liquid. I had to wait and let it get a little bit stiffer. But you know what happened? It was too thick, so I kind of made a little bit of holes. So you can see from the ones that I got here as a little bobble hole and one over here. But I think it's okay because I'm going to take it out and I'm going to shave them. And I'm going to, you know, get the right size that I want to make them look really pretty. And I'm going to show you how I'm doing that. So I'm just going to mold these babies. See, they come out really nicely like that. Alright, I'm back. And I got my little planner, you know, or shaver, whatever you want to call it, for my soap. As you see, it has a little bit of ash over here. And also, it's not very nice and straight and beautiful. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this part off, and the way it works, I have this little thing, I put it, okay, like this. It has a little blade over here, and I just shave it off. And I'll show you guys how it goes. And until I get what I want, I still don't like what I see here, so I'm just going to shave it more. See, it's still kind of bad. So I'll shave until I get what I want. You know, the desired finish. So, well, that looks good to me now. So there it is. See, it's nice and clean. It's very nice. So I'm going to do this part over here too, a little bit. Because it's too curved over there. So I'm going to make it more like the same size, let's say, you know, same kind of right there. See that? Okay. Now I'm gonna do all that, but it's too big as a soap. See how big it is? So what I did with the last one, I measured them. I measured they're about 2 inches. Those are 2 inches with my little thingy over here. I'm measuring all of them, and I'm gonna put a little thing over here, a little indentation over here, and then we're gonna split them, and I'll show you guys how I do that too. Okay, so I got my little cut it out, you know, my little slicer out, little, you know, soap cutter, and we're gonna slice them in half because they're too big to handle like that. So oh, this is kind of nice, huh? And see the the little thing over here in this one. This is going to change color. It's probably going to be the same as this. That's the way they're going to be. Alright? And so I'm going to cut all of them like this. They're a little bit soft still. Just a little bit because they were inside the silicone mold. And that's what it does. It takes a little while to get really nice and, you know, cured. Alright, so I'm going to be slicing all of them, hopefully. Okay, so now I sliced them all. They're all like this. They're all sliced in half. But I don't like the edges. See how bad they look? So what I'm going to do, I am going to use this potato peeler, and I'm going to do gently go around it and make it nice and clean like a bevel. Okay, that's how I cleaned them all up, and that's what they look like right now. They're you know, they're a little rough. I mean, some of them have little holes, like I'm going to show you. Like this one over here has a little hole here, and it's because the batter was too thick, and when I put it and pressed it in there, you know, it all created a little bit of a bubble in there. But I think they look pretty good. I mean, to me, they look really, really good. I mean, for my first experience here, my first time on making something that I thought about, you know, this is on my own, and I think they came out really good. But, you know, I have other ideas how to do this exact the sign for next year, maybe, man, we'll see if it's going to be better. I hope it's going to be better. Anyway, I'm going to, these are going to cure for about 3 more weeks. And they're going to be ready to go. And we're going to have them on our market October 20th. If you're in the Puyallup area, that's where we're going to be at Fruitland Grange, and we're going to be selling those. So we're going to put some of these on Etsy too if you want to get one of those bars. And we will keep you posted. So don't forget to follow us on Instagram and to like our Facebook page and watch our videos. And if you want to know more about what we're going to do for Christmas, watch our videos. We're going to make a lot more soaps, Christmas soaps. Alright, thank you very much for watching. Bye-bye.